Hello everybody, I'm Ingrid, I live in Sidcup and I'm originally from Dublin and I thought I'd sing you a nice little Irish song. I wish I was in Carrickfergus, where the castle looks out to sea. I would swim over the deepest ocean for my love to be with me. But the sea is wide and I cannot swim over, nor have I the wings for to fly. Oh, to be back now in Carrickfergus, to be together, my love and I. I wish I was in the land of Erin, where the mountains meet the sea. I would swim over the deepest ocean for my love to be with me. But the sea is wide and I cannot swim over, nor have I the wings for to fly. Oh, to be back now in Carrickfergus, to be together, my love and I. To be together, my love and I. Oh, to be back now in Carrickfergus, to be together, my love and